Hi friends, today we'll discuss about enhancing security of card and digital transactions which was issued by Reserve Bank of India. Why card security is required? Increase the security of card transactions because these are the digital transactions, so we need more security. That's why RBI has issued latest instructions. At the time of issue bar reissue, all the cards shall be enabled for use only at contact based point of usage, that is for the ATM and POS machines within India only. So when a card is issued, a new account is opened, new card is issued, initially you can do transaction within India and you can do the transactions where customer physical presence is required. Means you can go to ATM and do a transaction, you can go to a shop and do any purchase and use your POS. So when a card is issued to account, new account, or reissue means you lost the card and new card is issued, then also initially you can do the ATM and POS transaction which is required your personal presence. For existing cards, bank may take a decision based on their risk and perception. So previously we had discussed when a new account and new card or reissue card, so only we will allow ATM and POS transactions. If it is existing card, bank may take decision like whether to disable the card not present. Domestic and international transactions means card is issued to a customer and he was not using any domestic or international transactions, automatically it will be disabled. This will be for the existing customers and this will be decided by the bank. This decision has given to the bank for the existing customers, but it is a new customers, already we have decided. Card present, international transactions and contactless transaction rights. Okay, so existing customers, bank has to take a decision. If he has not used any domestic transaction, you can disable. He has not used any international transaction, you can disable the card. For existing card, bank may take a decision based on their risk perception. Existing cards which have never been used for online. For example, you have issued a card to a customer, but he has not used any online purchase, e-commerce or buying a refrigerator or buying a mobile online. He never used, or he never used any international transaction and he never used a contactless transaction, then mandatorily these facilities will be disabled for the particular customer. And what else is covered in this functionality? Bank will provide below option to customers. Customer can take a decision whether he wants on off facility for different channels. Okay, debit card he want to on means you can use it. He is not using mobile banking, internet banking for another 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. If a customer is going out of the country, he can put it in off. Debit card also he can put off. Mobile banking he can put off, and whenever you want you can put it in on also. These facilities given to the customer. Bank will provide below option to customers: set bar modify transaction limit. So previously we have decided whether I want to use a debit card, yes or no, whether I want to use a mobile banking, yes or no. Even though if you are using, you want any limit. For example, you can set a limit. Okay, debit card transaction I want only 10,000 limit per the day. So you can set bar modify transaction limits within the overall card limit, if any, set by the issuer for all type of transaction. For example, bank has given 25,000 rupees limit per day, but you can fix it as a 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 as per your convenience. Bank will provide below option to customer: set bar modify transaction limits. Even though you have a debit card, in debit card you can go and withdraw money from the ATM and you can do a POS transaction, you can do a online transaction, you can do a contactless transaction, you can do a domestic international transactions. You can set limits for all type of transactions. For the domestic, international, POS, ATM, online, contactless transactions, you can set and modify whenever you want. You can modify the limits. Bank will provide below option to customer: set transaction limit For example, domestic card transaction I can put as a 10,000 rupees, international debit card transaction 20,000 rupees, pass 5,000. I can put online transaction off mode, means I don't want any online transactions, off mode. Contactless transactions, these also I can put it off. One is like, if you put on also, you can put a limit. Off means you can't do any transaction. Because of this, lot of risk will be eliminated. Set and modify facility given to customer 24/7. Customer can opt this option any point of time 24/7 through multiple channels. He can send this option to his mobile application, internet banking application, ATMs, or interactive voice response, means you can call the toll free number and you can set it like okay, you can off my ATM transaction, you can off my mobile banking, you can modify, you can put limits, everything you can do from mobile application, internet banking, ATMs, IVR. And you have an option, go to a bank branch and request for set a modification, or you can disable, enable any type of transaction you can do. You can go to a branch and you request branch people to activate or deactivate or put a limit. These facility is given to the customer. Communication to customer. Okay, how to know like whether I have disabled, enabled, or I put any limit, or I changed limit. These things should be communicated to customer through alerts, information status, through SMS, email. As and when there is a change in the status or limit, these things should be alerted to the customer. You can alert, you can send a information, you can send a status, etc. to the customer through SMS and emails. Non-mandatory for prepaid gift transaction. These security features are not applicable for the prepaid transactions. This is not applicable for prepaid gift cards. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.